Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Annette. Thank you so much for tuning in. And today I have an unboxing, another unboxing on the brand Enailcouture. I'm trying to collect as much as I can little by little and purchase stuff from them. I have fallen in love with the brand and I want to start working on my clients with this particular acrylic. And they have so many little things at such an affordable price that I definitely had to just purchase a little bit more and show you guys on an unboxing, and then I'll show you how every other product works if I need to do another swatch or something like that. So I'll do that. So I previously cut the plastic here, the tape, because it was kind of difficult for me. So let's see in here. Ooh, that's a lot of popcorn. Okay, that is so cute. I want to track all that popcorn, but let me open this really quick. And the first thing I see is that they gave me a complimentary or free something. So let me open this and see what it is. It has the beautiful brand there, so I love that. It says exclusive nail couture from Max Estrada, and it's from the website. I think it's a brush holder. Yes, it's a brush holder. I get to put all my brushes right in here, which is pretty nice. And if it's like a foldable one, but if I'm working with a client, I can definitely put it this way and then it will hold my brushes standing up. That is very cute, and it's excellent detail, something that they gave me at no charge. Now this I purchased all with my money. This is not a sponsored video, so I want y'all to be very clear on that. And this has to be the apron. I've been dying to see the apron because I've seen Max work on the apron before. I mean, with the apron on, and this is so cute. I will take a picture and I'm gonna link it somewhere around here. That way you can see the full size. This is so perfect for when you're working with clients and everything. And I love it. I love it. It's so pretty. The details on it is so nice. I do love it. It has two pockets right here, so that's very nice if you want to put, you know, anything into your cell phone or something. That's so nice. I love it. Thank you so much for my little free gift. I forgot to say that. Okay, let me move all this popcorn. And yes, the first thing you see here is a Darling lamp, and I had to order the Darling lamp. It is pink and gorgeous, and they had a sale for $49, so why not? And he uses this lamp constantly on all his videos, and if you haven't checked them out, you can check them out on Facebook, on YouTube, under exclusive Nail Couture, or under Max Estrada. Okay, so let's see what else is in here. Oh, the Luxe brush wipes. These are 50 sheets per box, and this is, instead of me wasting a bunch of paper towels, which I hate to do that, he has these wipes that you can just clean your brush in here. You can also use it, it's a lint-free wipe, so you can also use it for gels if you do gels, if that's your preference. So I thought it was the cutest thing. The next thing I have on the box is, oh, my Dappen dish that I wanted so bad, and I wanted it in pink. Oh, this is so cute. It's glass. It's so pretty. It is the perfect size for monomer. When you're working with clients, if you have aesthetics looking beautiful on your desk, I mean, you cannot go wrong with that. Look at that. Look at that. That is just so precious and beautiful. Very elegant. My workstation is going to look beautiful. So I'm excited about that. And this is all glass, so that's pretty. Okay, the next thing I have, oh yes, it's the armrest. This is the armrest. It's the perfect size as well, and it has some thickness to it, so the person can just recline their arm there while I work on their nails. It has a little Velcro back here, so if you would like to remove this to get this washed, you can do that, which is great. It's perfect. Love it, love it, love it. So let me move this big box from here that has a bunch of little popcorn stuff there. And let me just leave that there. This is the Darling lamp. It's 48 watts power. It's LED and UV. And it's designed in the USA by Max Estrada. Now, I did order other stuff, and I was wondering where it went, so it went in here. Let's go through them. This beautiful Darling brush. I saw Max working on it, and I just had to have it. The beauty of this brush is it comes with a little cover for the bristles, so it doesn't get bent. And it's ergonomical right here, so when you grab it, it fits comfortably in your hand when you're removing all the dust, or if you're cleaning out with a wipe agent or alcohol, and then you can seal it back again. You could probably disinfect this as well. So I love that. I love the handle, and it's the cutest thing. Okay, I was in need of extra brushes, and after trying their brushes, when I ordered their Luxe kit comes with one of each of his files, so I had to order more. So I have the 100 100, the 150 150, and I ordered I think a couple of each of those. Yeah, this is a 100 100 and 180 180. So I order those. So I always like to have extras in stock for when I take care of my clients. And I tried the smoothie, and I fell in love with the smoothie. And now that I have done a few nails with his line and used this particular buffing tool or smoothing tool, because it is a smoothing tool, I wish I would have ordered more. So my next future order, definitely I have to order more of these. He also had implements, and I had to get them because they were all pink and they were priced correctly. So it was affordable, it was something I could pay for. So they had this Cuticle Pusher, Darling, so beautiful. And it has the pusher on one side, it says Max Estrada, and then you clean the cuticle, the dead cuticle, with the other side. And it has its little package here to just put it back in there if you want to. Then I also got this, this are the little tongs, I don't know how you call it, but just to mold my nail and just to put it there and work with the client and just give some curvature to the actual nail. So I love it that it was pink, and of course I had to buy it. And last but not least, on the implements, I got my cuticle, my nipper or cuticle cutter, however you want to do it or say it. And it's pink again. This one does not say Max Estrada, but I wish it would, because I'm a fan. And it's so beautiful. He always recommends to oil it a little bit with the oil that he has. So that's pretty cool. Very light. It doesn't make any noise when you're using it. Usually these get so scroungy when you buy them, and it's a horrible noise. I have another nipper like this, but I use it for removing crystals on my clients. Sorry about that. And this one I really wanted to just nip the cuticle. And last but not least, I ordered the Cupid, the powder, Cupid powder. This has crystals, like, it's like shimmery. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm going to try to zoom in a little bit and see if you can see that. Hold on. I hope you can see that. It has like some glitter. It is so pretty. And the piece of resistance is the actual lamp. Oh. Okay, so we have the plug, the instructions, and the lamp. So I'm going to move this aside so we can reveal the lamp, which I'm thrilled and excited to start using. And for the price, I definitely should have ordered two, though I can have one on one side, one on the other. But I have another lamp that I usually use, and I'm going to test this one and see how it goes. And it's called the Darling lamp, and it's designed in the USA by Max Estrada again. So you have, see if I can put it this way. Yeah, 10 seconds. 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and 99-second low heat mode, and it says double power. I guess that when you plug it in, it just automatically, when you put your hand in, just turns on. I'm not sure. I haven't tested it. I haven't tried it or anything. The other thing I do like is that it tells you the seconds right here. As you press the buttons, then you know how much time you have remaining right here. of time of drying or curing. Okay, you guys. Well, that's it for everything I got from Enailcouture or Exclusive Nail Couture. I am so in love and so impressed. First of all, the packaging, the timing, the shipping came in. It came in 2 days, and it comes from Arizona, so it wasn't that far. I'm in Texas, so we're pretty close, and I am just thrilled that I got all these things. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, or if you have gotten any products from Max that I missed on their website, please link it down below. That way I can go to his website and see if I can get it too. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, God bless.